whole like cylinder lights up, so I know when you're getting a little too crazy. So like it glows. It's like the whole rig. Stick her in the hole. Oh, now you done it.
You fucked it. You fucked it. Quick, man. That shit was crazy though. Yeah, it's in there. It's in there. That's not even fully welded in, and it's in there.
We called this. We're screwed. We got no wire. I literally asked you this yesterday.
He ran out of wire. It's his fault. Stopped welding. Got lazy.
You're like, ah, yeah, we got lots.
He called it.
But when you look at it, it looks like there's wire in there.
Okay, so we got the floors in, seats are in. Going to start mocking up the door bars. I'm going to reinforce the driver's side seat rail, and then we're getting the car up in the air. Put on subframe connectors, dry shaft loop. Cheating. Not loud. No. I just gotta clear the seatbelt.
But what about the bend in that one? Justin's a cheater.
You're loud. It is touching the door, which is what I wanted. Okay.
There's touching with a little bit of rub, and then there's touching where I don't close.
No.
Well, that's pretty much it for now in terms of the car. Cage is pretty much in, floors are done. We're going to switch the car around and get onto the hoist. Just received my ABC brakes, so that will be hopefully going on very shortly also. And then from here, it's just a matter of painting everything, putting the car back together, and that will be it for the build. So we're looking probably about 2 or 3 days to finish everything off, maybe just over the weekend. But that's it for now. Stay tuned. Satisfied Shelby customer taking off his brand new 2017 GT350, traded in for a 2007 Corvette Z06, which is now for sale. Very low K, very clean car, bone stock.
Which one?
Yes. On the clock. Very clean car, well loaded.